Hello, this is Kinga Review, and we're going to be doing this problem. Solve by using the zero product property. Okay, so what we have here is we have a value here, and another number here, and we're going to multiply the two to get this 0. So what that means is, well, it's kind of like having AB equals 0, where either A or B have to equal 0, or else we're not going to end up with a 0, right? Because we're not going to end up with 0 when we do 2 times 4, but if it was a 2 times 0, or even a 0 times 4, we would end up with a 0. So what we're going to be thinking about is, number one, what if this, the 4x minus 20, was equal to 0? So let's write that down. 4x minus 20 is equal to 0. And second, what if this value, the 3y plus 12, was equal to 0? So we're going to write that down. 3y plus 12 is equal to 0. Okay, so let's solve this. Well, if we add 20 to both sides, we're going to get 4x is equal to 20. And if we divide both sides by 4, we get x is equal to 5. And there you go. What about this problem over here? Well, we're going to subtract 12 to both sides. 3y is equal to negative 12. And then we're going to divide both sides by 3. So y is going to equal negative 4. So you have your answers here. X is equal to 5 and y is equal to negative 4. And that's going to be B. Another way of checking your answers is if you plug this x value or this y value back into the original equation over here, you can verify if it becomes a 0 or not. So if we plug in the 5 to the original equation of x, we're going to get 4 times 5. So that's going to be 20 minus 20, and that does become a 0. So the whole thing becomes a 0. And if we plug in the y equals negative 4 to the original equation, we're going to be doing 3 times negative 4, which is negative 12, and then add the 12, which is going to give us our 0, which makes the whole equation 0. So, yes, this B is going to be the correct answer.